Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the following topics. The first topic is what is V-belt. Next, the second topic is the type of the V-belt based on dimensions. Next, understand about the fractional horsepower, FHP, V, belts and its types 2L, 3L, 4L, 5L, V belts. Next, how to calculate 2L, 3L, 4L and 5L belt sizes. In the upcoming slides, we will discuss the details thoroughly. Next, we will learn and understand what is V-belt. Next, V-belts transmit mechanical power efficiently between different parts of a machine. Next, V-belts, as it sounds, was coined from the letter V looks of this belt. V-belt has a trapezoidal cross-section. The wedge-shaped belt fits perfectly into the wedged groove of a pulley. Next, the V-belt is flexible and transmits power from one shaft to another. Next, we will learn and understand type of the V-belt based on dimensions. Next, we will discuss the fractional horsepower, V-belt. Next, fractional horsepower light-duty V-belts are typically used as single belts on drives with a power rating of 1 horsepower or less. Next, these belts are designed to handle relatively light loads. Common applications for this type of V-belt include domestic washing machines, small fans, refrigerators, and garage equipment. Next, the common designations for fractional horsepower V-belts are 2L, 3L, 4L, and 5L. Next, we will learn and understand the fractional horsepower V-belt and its first type 2L, V-belt. Next, we will understand the 2L, V-belt. Next, the top width of the 2L, V-belt is 0.25 inch, or 2 by 8 inches. Next, the height of the 2L, V-belt is 0.16 inch. Please refer to the figure illustrating the 2L, V-belt for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand the fractional horsepower V-belt and its second type 3L, V-belt. Next, we will understand the 3L, V-belt. Next, the top width of the 3L, V-belt is 0.375 inch, or 3 by 8 inches. Next, the height of the 3L, V-belt is 0.22 inch. Please refer to the figure illustrating the 3L, V-belt for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand the fractional horsepower V-belt and its third type 4L, V-belt. Next, we will understand the 4L, V-belt. Next, the top width of the 4L, V-belt is 0.5 inch, or 4 by 8 inches. Next, the height of the 4L, V-belt is 0.31 inch. Please refer to the figure illustrating the 4L, V-belt for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand the fractional horsepower V-belt and its fourth type 5L, V-belt. Next, we will understand the 5L, V-belt. Next, the top width of the 5L, V-belt is 0.66 inch, or 5 by 8 inches. Next, the height of the 5L, V-belt is 0.375 inch. Please refer to the figure illustrating the 5L, V-belt for a better understanding. Next, we will learn how to calculate fractional horsepower 2L, 3L, 4L and 5L, V-belt sizes and how to calculate the top width of the belts. The number before the L denotes the top width of the belt multiplied by 1 by 8 of an inch, or 3.2 millimeters. Next, for 2L, V-belts, 2 into 1 by 8, so we get the top width of the belt is 2 by 8 inch. Next, for 3L, V-belts, 3 into 1 by 8, so we get the top width of the belt is 3 by 8 inch. Next, for 4L, V-belts, 4 into 1 by 8, so we get the top width of the belt is 4 by 8 inch. Next, for 5L, V belts, 5 into 1 by 8, so we get the top width of the belt, 5 by 8 inch. Next, we will learn how to calculate fractional horsepower 2L, 3L, 4L and 5L belt sizes and how to calculate the inside and outside length of the belts. Next, the numerical prefix indicates the belt top width in 1/8 of an inch, followed by the nominal outside length in inches. Next, we will learn to sample example. To calculate the outer length of the belts, the 3L 300 part number indicates a 3/8 top width with a 30-inch outer length. To get the outer length 300 divided by 10, we get the 30-inch outer length of the belt. Next, we will learn to sample example. To calculate the inside length of the belts or inside circumference. For example, a 3L 300 V belt has an inside circumference, IC, of 28.5 inches. Next, to calculate the inside circumference of a 3L V belt, subtract 1.5 inches from the outside circumference, OC. It means 30 minus 1.5, and the obtained inside length is 28.5 inches. Here are some other belt size calculations. Next, for 2L V belt, subtract 1 inch from the outside circumference. Next, for 4L V belt, subtract 2 inches from the outside circumference. Next, for 5L V belt, subtract 3 inches from the outside circumference. Next, we will learn how to calculate fractional horsepower 2L, 3L, 4L and 5L V belt sizes. Here we understand over all dimensions belt top width, inside length and outside length of the belts. Next, let's consider the example of a 3L 150 part number belt. Next, 150 is the nominal number associated with the belt. Next, the effective outside length is calculated as 150 divided by 10, which equals 15 inches. Next, the effective inside length is found by subtracting 1.5 inches from the effective outside length, resulting in an effective inside length of 13.5 inches. Next, 3L. This indicates a top width of 3/8 of an inch, where the increment of 3 is multiplied by 1/8, resulting in a width of 3/8 inch. Next, L signifies that it is a light-duty FHP, fractional horsepower, belt. We hope everyone understands what is V belt, and understands the fractional horsepower, V belt and its types 2L belt, 3L belt and 4L belt and 5L V belt and understands the calculation of the belt sizes of 2L, 3L, 4L and 5L V belts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.